From the pristine North Atlantic Ocean off the coast of New England to the icy cold waters of Alaska, fishing boats harvest the wholesome quality seafood that you can prepare and enjoy at home. With its mild, sweet flavor and tender, flaky texture, it's easy to see why cod is America's favorite fish. It's simple to prepare, healthy, and a great value. No company has made its mark as a supplier of the highest quality Alaskan cod more than Pier Fish. And no one is more committed to carefully managing the Alaskan cod fishery so that it is sustainable and future generations will enjoy its goodness as well. At Pier Fish, we take pride in protecting our ocean's resources. All our seafood, including our wild long-line caught Alaskan cod, is harvested in an environmentally responsible manner. And our processing facility exceeds all industry standards for quality. For 4 generations, the Barry family has been at the helm of Pier Fish. Our name is your guarantee that you're getting the very best seafood available. It's a difference your family will taste at your own table every day.